Good morning, dear students. How are you? Hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. I am also well. Dear students, today we are going to learn about voice change. Do you know what is voice? I think most of you know about it. My today's class is for the students of English medium school or English version school students, and for the students of class 6 to 10 who are weak in voice change. Let us start our class. Welcome to my class, dear students. I am J.D. Maktarul Kabir, English teacher, Wajuddin High School, Kamalgachi, Dhaka. Dear students, look at the picture. What do you see here? Yes, the boy is eating a mango. We can also say a mango is being eaten by the boy. Is it clear to you? Is it clear? Okay. Is it clear? Okay. This is John and this is an apple. So, what can we say? John eats an apple, right? But we can also say an apple is eaten by John. Both two sentences are of the same meaning. I say my prayer regularly. My prayer. This is my prayer is object, but we can use it as a subject. I subject, but we can use it as object with by. Say is verb and here is changed, is said. Regularly, no change. So, what is related to, dear students, do you guess? Yes, voice change. We are going to learn about voice change. Let us discuss about voice change in our today's class. What is voice? Dear students, what is voice? Who is the player? Yes, Neymar. And this is a football. You can say Neymar plays football, right? Change. Football is played by Neymar. Plays. And passive voice is played. So, voice is a formation of verb by which subject does something itself or something is done by subject. Okay? Voice is classified into two kinds. What are they? Active voice. When the subject does something itself. Passive voice. Passive voice, when something is done by the subject. Active voice structure. Subject plus verb transitive. Dear students, you have to know transitive verb which takes object. Next structure, subject, verb transitive, and then object. He reads a book. So, he subject, read verbs, a book, object. As here is an object, so reads is transitive verb. Passive voice. Structure of passive voice, subject of object plus auxiliary verb. Dear students, you look here, auxiliary verb is a must in passive sentence. Then V3 plus by, to, or, and another preposition should be attached here, and then object of subject. He reads the book. If we can took it as a passive voice, we can write subject, transitive verb, and object. So, according to our structure, we can write the book is read by him. Is read. Read, conjugation of verb, read, read. The book is subject. As a subject is auxiliary verb, read, verb 3, then by, and we attach it him as a object. Okay. Let's some subject and their object. Dear students, you should write it in your exercise khata. Subject and object. I, me. We, us. You, no change. She, her. He, him. They, them. Animal, no change. Who, whom. It, this, these. Which, may, man, boy. Name of man, Salman. Man, boy, Salman, no change. Thing. So, this is the changing of subject and object. Dear students, here is another important things for you. You must write it. Active and passive auxiliary verb. Here is active voice and passive voice should be the auxiliary verb. Present indefinite, am, is, are as an auxiliary verb. Past indefinite, was, were, shall, will, and then be. Have, has, had, then been. Am, is, are plus verbing, am, is, are plus being. Dear students, when in a continuous tense, verbing, you must use being as a passive voice, right? Shall, will, be plus verbing. Shall, will, be, being plus verbing. Can, could, may, might, should, would, had to, ought to. They are the modal verb. And you know, you must use be after modal verb in a passive sentence, right? Okay. Active sentence. Here is another example. He pulls a rickshaw. Make it passive. He pulls a rickshaw. He. A rickshaw is pulled by him. Here he, object, by him, and a rickshaw, no change, and pulls, V1, that is in a passive voice we can write is pulled. We should respect a rickshaw puller, make it passive. A rickshaw puller should be respected by us. Students, look at pull. Is pulled. should respected. Should. Modal verb. We should use be. Should be. Respect, respected. Okay? Dear students, the fisherman is catching fish. Is catching. So, it is continuous and here is used being. Because catching a fish is being caught by the fisherman. Is caught. Is being caught as a passive. Is caught. Is caught. Is being caught as a passive. Dear students, here is some activities for you. Transfer the sentences into passive voice. You should try it yourself according to the structure. Write down the sentence and do it as a homework. Dear students, yes, do you read it? And please write it in your exercise khata and you solve the voice as a passive voice and show me to next class. No more today, dear students. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.